Welcome to EQuran Zone, an international organization that providing online Quranic services in different countries since 2018. Alhamdulillah, our services include Nurani Qaida, Hifzul Quran, memorization of the Holy Quran, Tajweed, Arabic, Tafsir and Islamic studies. Why should EQuran Zone be your first and last choice? Because we provide Mphil and PhD scholars teachers focus on moral values, Islamic knowledge, reasonable fee, one-to-one classes, use of different techniques, online attendance, monthly test system, online digital material. Get in touch today. Call on WhatsApp 923134872 375.